Guys, it's Rex Adrian, and we're gonna do one fidget spin. For this round, we're gonna do one fidget spinner versus one Beyblade. Then two fidget spinners versus one Beyblade. Then two Beyblades versus themselves, and then two Beyblades versus two fidget spinners. Okay, so now we're just gonna do the battle. Right? Okay.
Are you ready, boys? I am gonna help you. 1, 2, 3. Go! No, I'm recording.
Who's gonna win? It looks like a tough battle. They're practically moving, not even moving. Oh, at least I'm winning. The fidget spinner's winning. Oh no, crap. Okay guys, they're not even moving an inch. Oh. Spinner win. Right. Now for the you want to do 3 battles? 3 rounds?
2 points. We'll go up to 2 points.
Okay. Let's go.
So this Beyblade has 2 points first.
Okay.
Okay, boys, are you ready? I'm here to help you. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, it's loose and I won. It's still going. Okay, guys. Now it's 1-1. We got it.
So I go up.
Okay, it's 1-1.
Okay, boys, I'm here to help you. Are you ready? Okay, boys, I'm here to help you. Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
Now it's moving. Finally, right, guys? One is moving out a little bit, Junior.
Yeah.
If I win this one.
If I win this one. It's gonna be a long battle again.
Yep, like last time. But I think the fidget spinner's gonna stop.
Let's see it.
Sorry, fidget spinner, you're dead. You're just dead, fidget spinner. You're stopping real bad. The Beyblade's stopping too. It's gonna be a close one. And which one's gonna win? Which one's gonna win? Come on, win. That's gonna be a close battle.
Oh.
The fidget spinner wins.
That
Was a really close battle.
Yep.
Okay, are you ready
Now
now?
two fidget spinners versus one Beyblade.
Yep.
Okay, so I come up.
Yep.
Okay, guys. Are you ready? Okay, boys, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
And look who won that fast.
Wow, Junior,
That's a really. That was
That's
impressive. I didn't get to see the win. I just jumped on them.
me too.
Give me
Okay, ready?
stitches. Okay, boys, are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
1, 2, 3, go.
And oh, who's gonna
versus one Beyblade versus another Beyblade. Let's go.
Now ready?
I come up. Do I come up?
Here, come on.
Okay, boys, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go.
Now let's see who's gonna win.
Now this one's a good battle.
Nah, yeah, it is.
It looks like that the yellow one's gonna win.
Look at guys, I found a cool pencil under your bed.
Ooh, cool.
It's cool.
And my
Who wants to have
Beyblade
it?
won.
Okay, I come up now.
You go.
Go. Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go.
Who's gonna win?
I missed the
Oh, and it looks like I won.
3 points.
3 points?
Yes.
You sure about that, Adrian? Okay. Ready to lose, Adrian?
I'm not ready to lose. I
Yeah.
think you're ready to lose.
Okay, guys. Okay, boys, are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go.
And Adrian, watch it. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that, Adrian. He dropped his Beyblade. Adrian, you messed up bad.
Sorry.
Okay,
Cheers.
now let's do the real battle.
Okay, are you ready, boys?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go.
Nah, sneeze.
Go chill out.
Oh! I burst it, so that means Adrian gets 2 points, so it's 2-2. Whoever wins this next match wins the whole thing.
battle.
Good, Mr.
This is gonna be close.
Don't do that.
Adrian, let it go in song form. Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys. Okay, boys, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go.
It's like the battle's close. Who's gonna win? Come on. Oh, looks like. And I won! Yeah, that's how I do it.
Okay. Now
Give
the final round.
Two
Beyblades versus 2 fidget spinners.
Two
Okay.
Beyblades and 2 business spinners?
Yep.
How can that work?
That does work, doesn't it?
A lot of times.
Okay.
There's gonna be
Okay, let's
1,
let's
2,
just get ready,
3,
okay?
4.
Okay, now we got ready. Let's go.
Okay, are you ready, boys?
Yes.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go!
And look who's gonna win. And oh! Beyblades won. Okay, we're going to 3 points, Adrian. 3
Yes,
points.
we're going.
3 points. Okay, whoever goes to 3 points first. And Beyblades already have 1 point. Chill out, Adrian. He's just jealous that I'm winning.
That's all we gotta do.
Okay, man, come on.
I'm already out.